Want to spot top client tickets instantly? Stocky Desk's organization-specific help desk links do the work, so you can focus on great service, not crowded queues. By giving each client a unique link or QR code, Stocky Desk automatically tags their tickets and lets your agents filter them with one click. Ready? Let's build one together. Choose the client you want white glove service for. I'll pick Sky Valley. At the top right, hit the kebab or 3-dot menu, and then Help Desk. Pick the help desk you want tickets to flow into. I'll pick Stocky Support. And boom, the options are enabled. Public link, QR, and share. You can directly share the public link or QR codes with your client organizations, or click share. Type your client's email, preview, and send. Haha, Stocky Desk fires off the email for you. Done. This is how the email looks like once it hits your client's inbox. Now let's see it in action. Let's add a title, select a category, and add a description. We can fast forward through the contact details section and submit. The ticket is submitted with the special help desk link associated to that organization. Back on our help desk, filter by organization, that is Sky Valley. And there's our ticket, already tagged. Jump into the organization's record, look at the Tickets tab. Yep, it's logged there too. The contact used to create the ticket has been auto-associated as well. And that's it. Craft VIP links for every high-value client and watch your support team shine. Subscribe for more Stocky Desk power tips, and hey, why not create your first organization-specific link right now?